What's up, guys?
Hey!
Doing good. I'm just looking forward to this.
Sweet.
Yep,
You guys
bucket
ready?
list.
Bucket list.
For
This
sure.
is like the beginning of your skydiving career. Don't kid yourself.
Right. One of many.
Yep.
One of many to come.
All right. First and last name.
Lisa Johnson.
Abe Johnson.
Right on, guys. Ready to go have some fun?
Oh yeah.
Yeah, he
right.
hit 30.
Oh,
Over here.
nice.
Big 3-0.
Congrats on making it, man.
Thanks.
All right, guys. I'll see you out there.
Sounds good.
Something has been taken from deep inside of me. A secret I've kept locked away, no one can ever see. Wounds so deep they never show, they never go away. Like moving pictures in my head, for years and years they've played.
If I could change, I would. Take back the pain, I would. Retrace every wrong move that I made, I would. If I could stand up and take the blame, I would. If I could take all the shame to the grave, I would. If I could change, I would. Take back the pain, I would. Retrace every wrong move that I made, I would. If I could stand up and take the blame, I would. I would take all my shame to the grave. It's easier to run, replacing this pain with something love. It's so much easier to I had nothing to say, and I get lost in the nothingness inside of me. And I let it all out. Find that I'm not these things.
Like a bird in the sky. Superwoman. Oh my gosh, hands free. Well, no Peter Pan. No Peter Pan stuff. Holy crap. Oh my gosh, you make it go.
What's up?
Woo! That's amazing.
Good job.
901
Yeah.
of many.
Of many to come. Woo! Cool. Let me loosen up your leg straps.